Guys, I don't believe it. I actually have a working police car in my city, and it's a little bit of a different one too. So it's roughly based off of the Ford Explorer, like Ford Explorer Interceptor type thing, used a lot here in the US. I don't know about other countries, especially in Europe. I'm sure that they don't use them there. But I don't know. Anybody that watches my videos that is in Europe, let me know if they do, but I kind of doubt it. They're pretty popular American vehicles. They are by Ford, and I've always liked the look of the vehicles. And I do need to go ahead and point out, this is not entirely my design. I cannot take full credit for this. So it started out, somebody on MOC pages designed it, and then somebody customized it, and then I took that customization that somebody customized from the one from MOC pages and customized it from the one that, anyway, that happened. So it got me to this point, and I'm happy with this point. First off, if you know your Lego, then you're going to recognize the fact that this is actually a 5-stud wide build, and I believe this is the only 5-stud wide or odd stud wide build in my city, minus the combine harvester transport truck, but that doesn't really count because it's only the sleeper section. It's actually 7 studs wide, but anyway, you see I went with the Speed Champion style wheels. They do not turn, unfortunately, but I mean, it's not that bad. You see I did have to get creative using that piece there, using the 5-long Technic piece that is always neglected. I never use that piece a lot of the time. But anyway, you see there's no actual transparent or at least translucent windows here, just because they don't make them. But they might make them, but I don't have any of them nonetheless. And you see I just used black bricks to create the window. Some changes that I made were like, there was a pillar here, but the real one doesn't have a pillar, so took it out. Just added more black bricks. And then you see there is a brush guard that probably needs to be improved up front, could be better. The long antenna was not on the other one, the one that I based mine off of, so that's new. You see I got a couple more antennas up there that need to be straightened out a little bit. The back end is kind of fairly bland, but the fact that it is 5 studs wide gives it the perfect scale. It really does work out very good. For those of you wondering, yes, it does fit a minifigure, despite it's a little awkward for him to sit in there because he's kind of sitting on top of a bunch of studs. But it counts, he's in. So there you have it. I finally have a police car. I don't know where it's gonna go. I just put it here for the moment, just for this video. See, he's arresting somebody who broke the law. I don't know what he's trying to steal over here, but anyway, the rest of the city looks just as unorganized. It needs work. You see, I did put the couple Cadillacs over there just for the moment. Again, for the moment. Sleeper truck is over there. I do need to get another base plate over there. But quite honestly, guys, I've just not been feeling very motivated to buy stuff. I do like to build, but I don't want to buy stuff, so we'll see. There's a random head. That's a little scary. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Share the video, like the video, do whatever, subscribe, do stuff, you know. Typical YouTuber comments at the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.